Part 13 of our mega loft room renovation, and this part is clearly cursed because I've got to stick skirting board on jagged corners like this, having never done it before. What could go wrong? And as we'll be painting the walls and woodwork all one colour, we cracked on with getting the woodwork fitted, spending a whole weekend trying to master a new skill. Did we master it? Watch and you'll find out, my friend. Started by marking the outlines for the architrave, and have you ever noticed how it doesn't actually sit flush to the doorway? Seriously, go look at yours now. Then I measured and cut the heads of the architrave, trying to remember which direction to cut the angle in. Did I get this wrong more than once? I don't see why that's any of your business. Stuck them in place with adhesive and moved on to this excellent trick for the legs. Cut the 45-degree angle in, then turn the leg upside down, mark where it crosses the head of the architrave, and that's where you'll need to cut.
Amazing, show-stopping, spectacular, never the same, totally unique.
So now skirting. Tell me why this was hard when it looks easy. I got the measurements wrong. I couldn't even cut through one piece. They say a poor workman blames their tools, and in this case, the tools is me. But eventually I got there, and the buzz I felt getting this tiny piece on the wall, let me tell you, I've never actually experienced that sort of atmosphere at a game before. Then the dreaded zigzag. Gross. Blech. But after a few false starts, lots of dodgy trims, we did it. So the errors were over until Neil fucked up this cut around the fireplace. Not just me then, is it? And even used his fuck up to guide the replacement. Mishaps aside, we are all wooded out, and now we're painting the walls. Can you guess which colour? It's all happening in part 14.